Parikshit. I am from 3rd grade. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On the occasion of this day, I would like to share a few words with you all. National Girl Child Day is observed in India on January 24th every year to raise awareness about the rights and education of girls in the country. The day is intended to highlight the inequalities and discrimination that girls face and to promote efforts to address these issues. The theme for National Girl Child Day 2020 was Empowering Girls for a Brighter Tomorrow. Thank you. Over to my friend.
Good morning, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Ashashvi. I am from 3rd grade. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On the occasion of this day, I would like to share a few words with you all. Girls are a blessing for every household and plays numerous roles, meticulously like that of a mother, wife, sister, and daughter. Our girls are the light of lives and must be treated like that. We should always respect the women in our lives since they are the building blocks of our lives. India has evolved over the years when it comes to giving rights and opportunities to women from its ancient belief of male superiority. There are a lot of challenges that women often facing living in a patriarchal society like domestic violence, wage gap, etc. We must take adequate steps to curb the increasing industries against the women collectively. Raising a voice against the violence is a great way to get political attention. Thank you. Over to my friend.
Good morning to all. My name is Mahasri. I am studying in 4th class. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On this occasion, I would like to share a few words with you all. Not just women, girls, children have also been prone to serious crimes like female infanticide, killing of girl child after they are born, restricting them from getting proper education and resources. In order to help women reach the equal status as men, we can always support them and fight the social stigma amongst other things. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on 24th of January every year. It is observed to raise awareness against the inequalities that women face in their everyday life. Government has taken several beneficial steps for women campaigns like Save the Girl Child and many more. India has made ample progress in providing numerous opportunities to women, but still there's a lot of work to do, and we must join hands to make the dream of absolute equality a reality for the girls of our country. Thank you. For teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Sharon. I am studying in 5th class. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On this occasion, I would like to say about challenges of women in India. Living as a woman can be a treated task as much as it is tedious. It can also be a curve for some. Women face numerous challenges around the world, but to their gender, and being a woman in India is no different. I will go ahead and say that women in the 21st century have more rights and access to gender uh,
teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rishika. I am studying in 3rd grade. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On this occasion of this day, I could like to share a few words with you all. Now that we have spoken about all the struggles that women face and how we can combat them, let's us know the vacation that acknowledges this girl children of the nation. This day is celebrated every year on the 24th of January to honor the girls of the nation. This was initiated in the year 2008 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development of
Good morning, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Umama. I'm studying in 5th grade. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On this occasion, I would like to say some ways to combat the challenges. While our nation has come a long way in providing women with their rights and opportunities, but does that mean that we can stop fighting for more? Does that mean that we have achieved the best we could? No, even though we have been able to change a lot over the years, but still women of India face an immense amount of challenges in their lives. Today we are going to talk about some radical ways to combat them. What would make the most difference in the joint effort from the government, non-profit organizations and a willing society? All of these three things combined would create an array of never-ending defense for these seemingly perpetual issues. In order for women to become more independent and courageous, we must support them with their decisions, help them learn more skills and provide them with ample resources to be able to purchase their choice of career. We must support them and their dreams for a promising future. In order to combat the numerous cases of physical and mental trauma that women go through, we must ensure proper access to health instructions as well as awareness. Almost women from every area to speak up against the violence they go through. We must combat the circular and socialist stigma that women and enforce to men. While women have given many rights to opportunities over the years, there are still some benefits about the apart democracy with women parliament in society which must end. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Janvita. I am studying in 3rd grade. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On the occasion of this day, I would like to share a few words with you all. We celebrate this day as an ode to every woman out there who once was a girl. National Day of the Girl Child is celebrated as a national observance as declared by the United Nations. It is also given the name of Day of Girls and is celebrated on 24th January every year. Observing National Girl Child Day creates a plethora of opportunities for girls around the nation, and it helps in raising awareness about the crimes against girls. This day also quells gender inequality across the country and allows girls to have easy access to education and other basic necessities required to have a promising future. This National Girl Child Day tells students about the hard
reflect over the past and how they have came out stronger than ever and made significant changes in their way of living. This speech honors women and their grit to never stop fighting for what they deserve and want. Thank you. Over to my friend.
Good morning, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Deepangita. I am studying in 3rd grade. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On the occasion of this day, I would like to share a few words with you all. National Girl Child Day is celebrated to create awareness about the rights and opportunities every girl deserves. It helps eradicate gender-based and supports girl children across the country. The objective of celebrating this day is raise a voice against the injustice that women suffer from. It also helps women become courageous and motivate them to be able to speak for their rights. National Girl Child Day demands an equal amount of respecting and values for society. The idea of celebrating National Girl Child Day focus on acquiring equal educational opportunities and resources that would promise them a good future, all while helping change the ingrained perceptions of society towards women. Thank you. Over to my friend.
Good morning, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Priyanka. I am studying in 3rd grade. Today we are celebrating National Girl Child Day. On the occasion of this day, I would like to share a few words with you all. Since this is a prevailing issue and must be combated with all of our might, the government of India has carried out many campaigns in order to encourage girl children to have the life they want. Some of these programs